Hi everybody, this is David Marsh. Today is January 14th, 2011. Haven't done a video much this week. We've had a good week. It's been slow, volume slow. Last week was non-farm payroll. We had some action earlier in the week, kind of got slow. Today was a pretty good day. Really, we've been working on the release of the ETS Pro Trader Automated Strategy, and in fact, we will be doing our first webinar on that Wednesday, January 19th. That is for students only. We're going to pre-launch it to our students hopefully within the next couple of weeks, and then we'll do a webinar for the general public and show you some screenshots and talk about what it does. But I just want to come on and do a quick video. I've been really tied up in working on Pro Trader and spending a lot more time in my trading room, so I really just don't have a lot of time to do a video. So let's go over today's trade really quick. Over to my right is my long-term filter. That's relevant today, and kind of how it plays out is when you see a long trade on the long-term filter, you got your signal bar and you got two bars that follow. During these three bars, we would not take any short trades against it. Same thing here. If there is a short signal here, we would not take any long trades during these bars. Now, once these bars have closed, then it's no longer a factor until the next signal. All right. Now, after the opening bell, we had a short normal system entry, and it was an obvious loser. Okay. It was questionable. If you want to talk about subjectivity, it's a good reason I brought this chart up. If you would even have taken a short trade, the long-term chart filter, rather, which is a chart, was about, this bar was in play. If it came way down here and closed, it wouldn't have signaled long. So all things being equal, this is a valid setup. You want to, a lot of my students say, wow, this is so close to going long, I'm not going to take the short trade. It worked out in their favor for that, because they simply took the long trade instead and got on board with the long term. But technically, it's a short trade. It's valid, and it was a losing trade. No way around it. So, but if you jump short there, we reversed right here, and now we're in direction of the long-term filter, and we recovered easily. Turned right back down, grabbed a pullback trade, which was still in the long term, and grabbed the profit off of that. And then we had two reports come out, so we stopped trading. We came into no zone right here, and after the reports came out, we had the first NSC out of no zone, which is a high probability setup. Just ran right down for another nice winner. So it was a one and done for some students, again, as they simply avoided this short trade because the long term was so close and they just grabbed the long one. But based on what I teach, it was, we did not have a one and done. We had a loser, a recovery, a winner. Then if you needed it, another, well, couple, 2 or 3 winners after that between 9:45 and quarter after 10. So really good day. It was actually a really good week, just kind of slow. Hopefully now that we're mid-January, we'll start seeing volume pick back up. But again, be on the lookout. If you're a student, of course, you're probably already registered for Wednesday's webinar. If you're not, we'll be sending an email out. If you've been to the ETS Pro Trader webpage, there's a login, there's a sign-up sheet to sign up for the webinar. Make sure you do that, because we're going to email only the people who have subscribed to that page for the release of Pro Trader. So if you're on our email list, or you're just watching this video for the first time, make sure you go to our website, eminitradingstrategies.com, and be certain to sign up for the webinar, and then you'll be on the list to get notified when the webinar does happen. So enjoy the weekend. It's going to be a long weekend. We're celebrating Martin Luther King Day Monday, so we will be off, and we'll be back in Tuesday.